Big Mickle. Add users, sellout, dude. You know I don't choose ads. You know this. Twitch is just profiting off me, dude. Profiting off my one viewer. Hey there, Big Mick. Can you hear me? Can you hear me yet? You've never been so happy to see a Twitch notification? My man. Are you just grinding or what, dude? Oh, I need to add this command, dude. Let's check out this video, dude. Oh, what the? What did I just add that to? Dude, what is that? LOL, trying to get the hang of the game and trying to have games that take me out of my comfort zone. Dude, I tried playing League of Legends like a while back, like 6-8 months ago, dude. I was hard stuck bronze, man. I could not get out of bronze. Just absolutely hard stuck. It is fun, dude. I like playing it, but it's yeah, so complicated. Mechanics are pretty tough too. I think that the hardest thing to learn, honestly, is just like everyone's abilities and like what they can do at different times and like fucking listening for. It's like Valorant, dude. You gotta like listen for particular sounds and shit. Like as soon as you hear a sound, you go, "Oh fuck!" Like retreat, like get back. I don't know, dude. That was the shit that I couldn't get. I run some Rust. There you go. Alright, you ready for the new YouTube video? Little stats? Let's see how it's doing. Analytics. Oh, 100 views. 100 views, boys. Look at that. Game that you make is gonna be similar to Rust but on crack. In what ways on crack? Like fast paced? .311 average view time. That is definitely the best that I've had of any video. The impression, the click-through rate is 7.9%. That's pretty fucking good. As long as it maintains. It's a good start though. I don't know, YouTube gave me a little impression boost. I guess it's still giving me some. We're still going. This doesn't usually happen. Let's look at like a normal video. Actually, let's look at the last video. This one right here. God, a month ago. I released this shit a month ago. Like, that's crazy, dude. Time just flies. Up to 10K views, though. We'll take... Oh, shit. Wait, this is getting some traction. This has been, like, hard stuck, like, 300 views last 48 hours. Like, its entire lifetime. It cracked 400. I don't think I've seen that since like literally over here, day 3. Hasn't gotten up that high. So that's some good news, but let's see, like what did this guy look like the first day? Actually, we can compare. We can compare to this. Okay, so you can see like Viral's doing a little better than my last video. Or this new video is doing better than my second to last one. The game that I make is going to be based on insane open world with more focus on the factions and securing certain assets that make your faction valuable. I'll also have a shit ton of faction activities. I want to make it to where you can buy a truck and trailer and go abandoned cars from parts. Oh shit, that sounds pretty sick. Yeah, that's really good. Good ideas. Oh man, you're making me want to just start coding up Zen Fisher right now. But I'm just gonna chill for a little bit. Man, I can't even explain, like, I don't know who's out there. It's pretty much just Mikey, but Mikey, I can't explain how much effort I put into this fucking video, man. And like, the next one I make like that will be so much easier, but the problem was I bit off more than I could chew with this video. Like, I did so many things that I had never done before, you know? And it was just so time consuming to learn all those things. Like, I learned how to, like, I got a tripod, I learned how to, like, take video, my new camera on the tripod, and, like, how to use, SD cards and all that shit. I don't know. And then like getting the lighting right when it's not just me facing my fucking computer, green screening, doing all that shit in software. Like the green screening in software with video is pretty hard. Like you need to make sure your lighting's really good for it to work. So much stuff, man. Like just, where is this green screen? Yeah, this is the green screen that I did somewhere in here. Is it this? No. What is it? Oh, I know what I need to do right now, actually. Alright, well, fuck this green screen thing. I'm pretty sure I just got the first tier of monetization on YouTube. Let's check it out. Earn. Hey, yeah, 3,000 hours. So we're 3,000 out of 4,000 hours watched. Okay, I need to sign up for Google AdSense. I actually don't have an AdSense account. It's crazy. You should be thinking about that first little mini game you're gonna make though, Big Nick. That's what you need to get hyped for. Publish something on itch.io. Don't mind me, just signing up for Google AdSense. Oh, I gotta move soon, dude. I hate moving. Gotta change all my addresses and shit. It's gonna suck. Finished your new vid a few minutes ago. All right, let's hear it, Brutus. What do we think about the whole thing? All right, we're signed up for tier 1 of monetization. Yay. Okay, we're getting reviewed. The thing that I'm wondering is that actually it really frustrated me when I was publishing this video. You'll notice that in the somewhere around like minute 120 here, I have this card up here, right?
I have a lot of experience here because of my
That opens up for the world open world tutorials. But I wanted to do one back here for the Steam page. But apparently I have to be monetized to do a card with a link, with an external link, dude. Like, fuck. So I can't do that until I get monetized. Anyways, I mean, I'm hoping I should be monetized fairly soon, like fully monetized. We're getting like 30-40 hours a week right now. Hopefully that fucking blows up with this video. But I'm hoping like one more month we'll be monetized. It was good. One of the best yet, no doubt. I like the lighting effect for the shades. Yeah, that was dog meta. Mr. Colin did that one. I just said do what you can. It would have been sick to do what you were saying though, Brutus. But I don't want to give him too much grief. But I think I made like all the things that you sent me. I think I made all the changes for that. I even did I even re-voiced over the end, the Steam part. And sip on his cup of Joe, you know it. So yeah, I was just looking at some of the early stats. So we're 1 out of 10 in terms of first few hours, 105 views. Our second best video was the last open world video. So we're even beating that one. So that's pretty good news. And this one already has 10K views. So it's a pretty good early sign. I think all signs are good. Like I would say good. No, I don't know if I want to say great, but they're solid. Every metric that I can find is like solid. But there's nothing that's like holy shit, you know. But hopefully we don't need that holy shit stat to blow up a little bit. Yeah, let's see what else. All right, so yeah, 105 views already. The best, probably the best number is the average view duration. This is way higher than my average. In fact, I think it's the best of any video I've ever made. You can even look at like a lot of my longer videos, like 15-minute videos. This is still longer. So average view duration of 311 is very good, at least for my channel. I wish I can just purchase knowledge, like pay $1,000. Each artist enters your brain, dude. Are you using ChatGPT, Mikey, to learn? You should like sure you are a little bit, but I feel like using ChatGPT to like learn is a really, there's a difference though. There's a difference. I'm not saying use ChatGPT to like do your assignments and like do your work for you, but like using it to learn, like just asking it little questions, I find is really helpful because like the number one reason I think it's really good and what I found is my terminology has gotten so much better and so much more precise because you need to actually like tell ChatGPT in very specific terms what you want from it. So like my terminology of like C#, like I know ternary operators, I know Null operators, I know, fucking, like, so many new words that I didn't know, like, 6 months ago, just because I kind of, like, ask it a lot of questions. But just using it as, like, kind of, like, that type of resource, not to, like, do things for you, but to, like, learn, I think is really good. Simple syntax fixes, I mean, yeah, that's just good, too. There's, I don't know, some famous dude, I don't know who it was. Was it IBM? I think, like, CEO of IBM said, like, I tend to believe this. He said, like, ChatGPT isn't going to steal your job, but people who know how to use ChatGPT are going to steal your job. So I think that's true. I think it's a mistake to start learning programming with C. Yeah, I mean, I swish. Good. I fully endorse that. Yeah, you're just gonna... Nice, dude. You're just gonna, like, learn a bunch of weird-ass rules that don't apply to modern languages. Mike said you need to play Ark with him or you have no balls. Oh shit. Alright, dude. Maybe I'll get Ark this weekend. Here, I'll make a promise. I'll get Ark this weekend for you guys. Because I don't got too much shit going on. I got my whole weekend free. I can download Ark Saturday morning. And I can play for a little bit, see how I like it. Okay, anyways. Average view duration is really good so far. I'm not sure what, like, a Danny Dev video would have, but I feel like this is really good. The click-through rate is pretty solid. I did go with this. Man, you guys, by the way, I appreciate all you guys' opinions and insights, and, like, I don't want to, like, make it seem like I don't take them into account when I ask you guys and I do the opposite. Because I thought about the thumbnail really, really hard. And, like, also when you guys told me, like, to use the other one, it made me rethink how I was trying to do this one. So I think it improved. The other thing is we can always switch out the thumbnail, so I might do that at some point, but decided to go with, like, the hour 23 one. So far, 7.5% click-through rate, like, can't complain. We'll see how it holds up. Fewer than 10K jobs at sea in the entire country. Yeah, I'm trying to remember where we were. Let's get back to, man. Is there any other stats to look through real quick? I think we're good. Feeling pretty good. Sent into our monetization request for 3K hours. I don't know if that gets me the Steam link. That would be sick though. Okay, let's do some good game dev tonight. Maybe I can actually make progress for once. Like, fuck me, like, good progress. Okay, this is working. What? This is not working. What? That's annoying. That's a bug. It's a really fucking annoying bug. How did that happen again? God. Shit pisses me off. can't remember what. Oh, I remember what I was about to do. Yeah, we're gonna we gotta populate like these stats. Oh, it's gonna suck. Oh, time to show tooltip is. Oh, that's probably. That'd be why? Oh, that's kind of a bug though. Okay. So I think if yeah, if this is equal to 0, then it doesn't seem to go away. So we can fix that real quick now that I know. Yeah, it doesn't go away. It only goes away when I leave completely, huh? So let's see. So maybe this should be greater than, not greater than or equals to. Otherwise, yeah, okay, that makes sense. Okay, just greater than. Hopefully that fixes that. How many more weeks are left in your course, Mikey? It still doesn't work? How's that possible? Oh. Interesting. I think we need to do, this. It's a little bit weird. Or we add this at the end. That's probably a smarter idea. Well, yeah, we could do this. This is probably a little bit cleaner. God, I hate these fucking dumb if statements, though. What did I say? I was just saying how much longer in your coding course. What's on the menu tonight? Well, basically, we're gonna be showing stats as part of the pop-up, if it has stats. Okay, that works now. Just fixing this little bug, though, with instant pop-up. That feels better. Okay, so that bug's fixed. Yeah, we can get into this now. Basically, we have to set the stats here. It's gonna suck. Say like if new item data dot item stats item stats list is greater than and we'll call set item stats. Item stats. That's a dictionary. I kind of want to call this stats dicks. Hopefully that doesn't fuck anything up. Oh, it's gonna fuck everything. Cool. Cool. Alright, stats dicked. So now we're gonna... Does for each work for item stats dot stats dicked? I think it does. Alright, can I do key value pair? For each key value pair? Item stats key. I forget how to do the for each key value pair fucking loop. Key value pair. I also just like using ChatGPT as like a general search engine for coding shit. Since it's like one, you just enter it in and it just pops up instead of clicking a link. One less step. Oh, I was hoping to progress the fundamental mechanics. Wara over on YouTube, or Waru. What's up? Oh, is that what I forgot? I forgot to do the actual thing in the middle, yeah. Whatever you call that. Gotcha. Okay. Key value pair, item. Stat type and objects. Okay. Oh no. Oh, fuck, dude. I guess we're gonna have to just have certain stats that aren't listed there, because like I want to add other stats, but I don't want to have some of them be listed. Like for example, I don't want the cell value to be listed in this general like list of things. So I wish we could progress fundamental mechanics, Brutus, but I mean, wouldn't you call like adding items to an inventory like a pretty fundamental mechanic? This has been a big thing, like the whole items and everything. Like the way I'm organizing it, hopefully, is very scalable, extensible. will help. I mean, it'll help things anywhere from like if as soon as we want to like actually start working on fishing and like getting fish into our inventory, then we'll have this all ready. Back. Haven't heard anything I've said in the last 10 minutes. Don't worry, I haven't said anything important. Just fucking babbling my mouth. Just saying shit, random ass shit. I'm the type of programmer who, like, when I'm making a game, these days at least, like, if I'm working on something, I need to finish that shit to my best of my abilities. Because if you don't finish it to the best of your abilities, when you come back to it, you're gonna have an even harder time doing it. If you can't finish it now while you're invested and like your mind is fully engulfed in like what you're working on, then you're gonna have way fucking harder time learning it later or finishing it later, you know? That's my philosophy. So even though it sucks to be working on UI for weeks, like we're doing it all, you know? We're getting it all right. So I don't have to come back to it. Zachary Z, what's up? Really been enjoying your videos in the beginning stage of learning. You got school for game programming, nice. I know you're a small YouTuber, but you're inspiration to me. Oh hell yeah, dude! I'll love to hear that shit. We are pretty small though. Nah, we're just getting started. I feel very motivated to keep the YouTube channel going and everything going. So hopefully I'm around for a little bit doing this. And just so you know, here I'll link you. But since you sound like you're pretty serious, we got a good group of people in the Discord. Whenever you have any issues with your game dev shit, then you can just ping us in the Discord if you want. I'll just post a link if you want to join. No pressure if you don't want to. Where's my fucking link, dude? I need just like a button for my like. I just need to press like H, Control H, copies Discord link to clipboard. That's what we need. How you liking the new video, Zach? You check that shit out? There's the Discord link for you, by the way. Not what I mean. Non-technical users can't relate to what you're doing. They can relate to the visual experience. Right. Yeah. I see what you're saying. Last time I checked, you weren't very small, Mr. Spade. Okay, buddy. What is that supposed to mean, dude? What's that look you're giving me? I can just feel it, dude. Mikey's just giving a little smile, dude. Little grin. I can literally picture it right now. Alright, what the fuck am I doing? Yeah, this is kind of a problem, dude. We need to open up Photoshop. Good lord, the thumbnail work that I did. I never want to spend that much time making a thumbnail ever again. I never will. That was ridiculous. Yeah, okay, so we need these things here. But the problem is, I don't want to display like how much money it is. So maybe this shouldn't be a stat. This is just like a base value for everything. I don't know. That could get a little confusing, but now I think about it, like a cell value isn't really a stat, so I think I can remember that. This is just like a type, so that's also not a stat. So yeah, I think as far as I can think, we just loop through all of these and we're good. So okay, we'll just loop through each key value pair. Are you at coding functions, Vader? Because whenever I'm around you, my heart syntax error disappears and I find... Dude, what the fuck? It's not even good, dude. She turned the AC down to 65. Oh, that is chilly, dude. Okay. Anyways. For each key value pair, we need to add in a pop-up menu. I have no idea what it's called. Slot? What did I call it? I can't remember. A pop-up stats container? Is that really what I called it, dude? Yeah, it is. Oh shit. Well, we need to actually edit this. Pop-up stats container. So basically this is going to go between divider stats and divider bottom. So that's something like that. Oh, no, that works. Okay. I did finish that. I forgot. Okay. Good. We're good. Okay. Item. Okay, so we need to create a list. These are going to be stats, pop-up stats containers. Pop-up stats list. Sure. Okay. Actually, no, we're not gonna do that there. We're gonna do that. Here, when we set, so that we clear it. Alrighty. I wish I could just fucking stream of consciousness, just do code. That'd be sick. You'd actually get so much done. New. Oh, no, we need more shit. New. I don't even know if this is like in UI manager. Let's see. Interact. Pop-up menu inventory. No, it's not, dude. Yeah, we need to add this. That's a really long... Whatever, I don't care. Hey, what? Is that Toxic Thief? He's back? How's your night going, bud? Oh, by the way, Zach, we're also live over on Twitch, just to let you know. Just doing a little dual streaming. PhD in physics, it sounds intimidating. I have calculus coming up later this year, and I'm not looking forward to it. Oh yeah, dude, calculus sucks. But calculus actually look kind of important. Well, I don't know, man. Depends what you do, right? It's important for physics. trying to think, like, how important is calculus to know, like, actually know for game dev? At one level, I want to say it's pretty important, but on the other hand, like, it's really only important for understanding, like, pretty simple equations, like understanding, like, velocity or, like, acceleration and stuff. I would say it's definitely pretty worth it. Bro, please tell me you use Python in Excel? No, I don't. Well, oh, actually I do. Well, it depends what you're asking. Like, are you saying, like, get data in Python from Excel? Or are you saying, like, do things in Excel with Python? Because if it's the second one, I can't help you. First one, I can. Read your pickup line, Mikey? Okay, let's see. Sperry, you must be the genius behind Zen Fisher because just like your game, you've reeled me in with your unique charm. Let's embark on an epic quest together, navigating the waters of life and love. Dude, can we just pin that real quick? Pinned, Mikey. Let's navigate the waters of life and love. What the fuck? That's worth a pin. It's like a week old. Look it up. Oh! Oh, that's what you're saying. Oh, shit. Is it in a new Excel version or is it in like Google Sheets? Does it have to be Excel?
We can now write and execute Python natively in Excel. No need to install any add-ins and no clunky separate windows.
Jesus Christ, this world's changing, bro.
Use the keyboard shortcut Control F2 to switch to the formula bar, and then I can make it a bit bigger. It's just going to give me more room to write my code. To import the libraries,
wow, dude, Excel actually.
So I want to
import pandas.
And I can leave it at that. Except
that gets me excited right there, dude.
There's nothing to display in the cell. So rather than that, I'll enter some text that gives me a visual indicator that the libraries have loaded, so I don't accidentally forget what's in this cell and delete it. And then to complete a Python formula, you use Control and Enter. If the cell doesn't display the object icon, you can change it via the drop down here and make it a Python object.
I chose the perfect time to learn on code, to be honest.
Next,
it's always, it's like that quote about planting a tree, dude. The best time to learn how to code was like 20 years ago, but the next best time is now. If a tree falls in the forest, what is it? I can't remember that fucking quote, dude. If a tree falls in the forest and no one's around, does it make a sound? Is that what it is? If you crack a cold one in the wait. If you crack a cold one in the forest. No, I fucked it up. Never mind. I fucked up the joke. I was gonna say if you crack a beer in the forest without the boys, is it even a cold one? But I fucked it up. Never mind. Pause on Beats over on YouTube. What's up? Friends, I want to be able to create my own games, but I noticed that it's difficult for me to know, especially programming languages. Alright, so you're just getting started, man? Well, you gotta start somewhere, dude. It's difficult for everyone, so you just gotta get started, but you can do it, man. You can do it. You just gotta stay dedicated. If the tree falls in the forest and no one is there to hear, it doesn't make a sound. But if you crack a beer in the forest and the boys aren't around, the real question is it even a cold one? That's my type of philosophy right there. Oh boy. I'm I'm actually just not even doing anything tonight. It's great. I love it. I don't even care, dude. I'm celebrating. Yo, Easy Money Snipes. Did you see the new YouTube video, by the way? Did you guys all see the new YouTube video? Fucking I worked my ass off, dude. I worked like a month on that shit. If you haven't seen it, go see it. It's worth it, I promise. What, YouTube video? Boom, ready for this fucking 24-hour vid command? Dude, it doesn't work. Just so disappointing. Now I have to fucking manually type it in. This one right here. Go check it out, you guys. Give me that full 9 minutes of watch time, please. I will love you. Even if you don't want to watch the rest of it, dude, just leave that shit playing in the background, no sound. You're not gonna be able to get that 9 minutes of your life back. Absolutely not. But the question is, will you want it back? That's what you gotta go find out right now. If that's not a pitch to go watch it, then I don't know what is, dude. If that doesn't just get you off your seat watching that vid, then I don't know what does. I'm just turning into a fucking YouTube degenerate. It's so bad. Just making all the YouTube jokes. Just like they're second nature dad jokes to me now. Did I actually connect this yet? No, I didn't. Here we go. Alright, we got that now. Cool. Let's go back into here. Yeah, so we're gonna have to do a pop-up stats container, new stats, equals new shit, we have to actually get something else here. Visual elements, stats container asset equals UI manager dot instance stats clone tree. Okay, there we go. We're gonna take this and we're gonna make a new pop-up stats container. Okay, and then I suppose I should actually like instantiate this too. Fuck, dude, this is annoying. We'll come back to that in a sec. So we have to do a few things here though. We have to add the we're gonna have to add this to the actual pop-up container. So that's just the root of this. I believe, yeah, it's just the root of this. So then we need a root dot add stats container asset. The problem is we need to add it in a specific place, so that's kind of annoying. Maybe we should open up ChatGPT for that. Not like you got anything important to do? Damn, dude. Just hitting them hard. You're turning into a popsicle. That fucking 65 degrees. Keeping it icy for you, dude. You think it's better to freeze to death or burn to death? Can we do a poll? Alright, you guys. Poll. Alright, we got a little poll running. Is it easier or is it better to freeze to death or burn to death? Okay, what was I about to ask? Oh yeah, I've never done this before. How can I add visual elements to groups in UI toolkit? I don't even know how to ask this question though. Add a specific index? Add a specific... What is it called? Brutus, do you know this? Like there's an ordering, right? Of your CSS elements. What is this hierarchy called? How do I add in something in CSS to like a specific slot? Like what would I call doing that? Front of one element, but behind it. Oh! Push-ups! Wait, we haven't had that in a while. Alright, we'll do some push-ups. Ah, dude. I didn't see that one coming. That hurts. That hurts. Dude. Fuck. I'm out of push-up shape. That was like actually kind of hard. Oh. Oh, index of. Yeah, I want to set like the index of the elements. Oh my god, a breath. Oh. Wait, Brutus, what is his name? I can't find him in the Discord right now. Can you... Do you see him? Sorry, got distracted. Okay, index of. So there's a function called insert. Nice. Hell yeah. Oh shit, dude. Divider stats? Wait, I should have access to that, huh? Divide. What? The fuck? Got some troublemakers in the Discord, dude. Of course. Alright. I'll handle this shit, Brutus. I'm gonna do a little investigation. Let's see what he says. What does he say for himself? What the fuck? Since when is this playing trumpets, man? I don't need trumpets blasting in my ear while I'm trying to do some coding. Dude, where's Divider? Why can't I find this shit? What? Pop-up menu inventory. I'm confused. Why aren't these showing up, dude? Doesn't participate at all. Actually, yeah, that's true. He doesn't even have the verified role. Well, what the fuck, bro? Alright. Kick him. Alright, he's gone. He is gone. Dude, okay. What is happening right now? Why is this not showing up? Item description label? That's there. Pop-up stats container? Maybe I need to reach. No, I don't want to regen. Pop-up menu. Let's remake the gen file, see if that helps. Oh, now it's there. He just come back? That's true. Well, if he comes back without verifying, then I'll ban him. I'm pretty sure that's... I'm confused because I'm pretty sure that's 6X, who used to be in here a lot, so I don't know what the fuck he's doing. Anyways, just so you guys know, I have my own way of, like, handling this shit. Because like, my experience in handling Discord servers is if you, like, do things for absolutely no reason, like, you're just inviting them to, like, try to come and destroy you. From, like, other accounts and shit. So, that's where I'm coming from, just so you know. I'm not into just, like, fucking just straight banning people, never talking to them, and saying fuck you. But I will get to the bottom of it, and I will ban them. No idea what you're talking about? Well, I'm talking about, like, if you were to ban somebody unfairly, or they thought it was very unfair and they got very angry at you, then they could start trying to dox you and find you online and do weird shit. They could start creating, like, bot armies to come and fucking attack your server. This has all happened to me back in the Fortnite days, so that's just why I handle things in this way. Pretty weird that it wasn't showing the dividers, but we have them now. I don't know. People out there, like, they just will, like, say fuck you later, dude, bye, kicked, haha, we hate you, bro, and they won't give them any reason. And, like, I think people, like, in general don't respond very well to that kind of shit. Like, that's how you get people like doing really sus things online to you. It's just a personal theory that I have. Spider. Spider stats. Index of? Oh. Wait. Oh, I have to do the root dot index of I manage Discord for one of my buddies and I had a very good alt spam protection bot. Works really well. I need that shit. We need to protect it from duplicate accounts and obvious. I see. Oh, yo. I learned of a really weird like Discord troll that you should all watch out for. I mean, you still kind of have to be stupid to fall for it, but not that stupid. But basically, if someone hates you, apparently this is a thing going on where like multiple people have gotten lifetime bans and it's like ruined their Discords. But like, if someone asks you a question and the answer is some small number and you respond and then they edit their question to be like, how old are you? Then they can report the conversation to like Discord and then like say that you're like underage using Discord and shit. And like multiple people have gotten banned like that. So don't ever respond with a low number to someone you don't know very well in Discord. Especially if you own a server or something. Okay, so this is going to be stats container asset. And then we don't need this anymore. And then let's pop up stats list. Add stats container. Okay, let's see if this works. It's called alt identifier. Okay, cool. Check that out. All right, time to do a little hover. See how it looks. Oh shit. What the fuck? Why did I do so many? Oh, I don't think it's the root we're supposed to add it to. It's a pop-up container. I don't know why it did this so many times. Oh, it's probably because it keeps calling this when we... What do we call this? Ah, yeah, it's getting called every time. Okay. Inventory. Huh. I think I can just make a flag in here, probably. It's probably the easiest way to do this, just like just showing. But public pool. So we'll just say item data showing, but then we need a remove item data. We'll just do this for now, I guess. I don't know if it's really necessary to remove everything. It's just gonna repopulate it. Oh, actually it is, because yeah. Oh man, this is fucked. I feel like I should probably create a container for adding these stats. Hey, Fasco, what's up? It has been a while, man. How you been? Question for me? All right, what's up? Well, I need to remove all these things. Now we should only call it once, but we need to remove all this shit. Yeah, it's gonna be just way easier if I do this. Okay, that sucks, but alright, just need to find a way to permanently remove vertex colors from an FBX file. Vertex colors. Oh man, I don't even know what that means necessarily. Yeah, I think the best way to do this is just add in like all this stats container, stats. Didn't I call this stats container already? Ugh, so stupid of me. Pop-up stats container. Stats list container. Okay. Not the best naming scheme there. Vasco, what do you mean by remove vertex colors from FBX file? Do you recommend I stick with a Harvard CS50G course? I would probably recommend the coding one. Like, I think you want to just get as good as you can at coding, honestly. Like, move on to all the 2D, 3D stuff, like, once you feel like you're becoming a strong programmer. Oh, you're saying like after coding? Oh. What is CS50G? Introduction to Game Development? Like, what is in that class? So stats, list container. We don't need to insert it anymore now. But that's cool to know that we can do this. Let's just make sure, oh yeah, we need to make sure that this is gonna work though. What the fuck? That looks like it works. Nice. Okay. Nothing. Don't need to change anything. Okay, so we just add it to that now. And now removing it, we just need to say like stats. This is so easy. Stats list dot remove. I don't actually know how to remove all. Maybe there's a clear? Clear? Remove, yeah, okay. Clear, that's what we need. Clear. Okay, so then we're going to call this remove item data when in inventory manager we leave the pop-up. Hide inventory shifted. Okay. All right, let's try it out. Wow, this is it. It could just work and we could be like, yo, we're chilling and be done. Or we could struggle another fucking hour, dude. Who knows? This is the decider right here. Things have not been working first try for me lately. It's really demotivating. Lectures, hands-on project. That seems pretty useful. So it's either that or what? Recommend another dev course? Nah, I'll do that. I mean, yeah, if you're into doing that, man, you should. I like as long as you're taking like courses seriously, man. I think like doing it in a course style is the best way to learn. Yeah, you should do it, man. If you're into it and you're feeling it, like you want to do that and you're excited about that, you should fucking do that shit. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Let's test. Tooltip, are you gonna work? Oh my god, it kind of works. Okay, let's look at the tomato, which has different stats. Hey! Look at that, dude. Now we can put stats on our items. They can just show up. Beautiful. Oh, except it's all the same stat. Why is it just the same stat 3 times? See, this is what I'm talking about, man. It never just works. Also, every other that we add, we need to change the color. Oh yeah, duh. Yeah, I remember. We didn't do this part. So this part's gonna actually be done inside of the pop-up stats container. Okay. So we're gonna initialize it with what? A key value pair, stat type, and object. This should be KVP. Yeah. Stats, KVP. Okay, initialize it with that. Oh, oops, this. Okay. Okay, so init stats container. So we basically just have to say the stats container has a label, some label, right? So I thought. Fuck, dude. Oh, okay, I never did this part. Cool. Okay, we'll name this the stat display name label. And then we'll name this the stats value label. Okay. Adil, what's up, man? Hey, bro. How long do you stream? I stream usually for another hour and a half. Are you using scriptable objects for the items? Yes, I am. Yeah. Yeah, my item scriptable object is actually insane, dude. I could show you some examples. I just have cabbage and tomato for the moment, but this is what it looks like. Yeah, it just has like name, description, stat count, max stat count, sell value, and then some classification stuff, item type, it's food, rarity, category, it's a consumable, some references to like item related objects, assets. And then this last thing is pretty cool. So it's item stats. It's just a list of stats. So that's kind of what I'm working with right now, though. How's your stuff going, Adil? Did you ever decide about learning dots? Okay, now we have access to this. Cool. That's what we wanted. Okay, so then we have label. There it is. Stats display name label. Text. Okay, so this is going to equal the item stats kvp dot key dot feature. Hopefully that works. And then our other label stats value label dot text, that's going to equal item stats kvp dot value string. Okay, so those should now initialize properly. The last thing we need to do is we need to initialize if this is an even or odd. Maybe we should just initialize it with an index. Yeah, we'll do stats. Okay, just call it stats container. Oh, whoops, we need the int. Stats container index equals. Okay, so that will just do int stats container index, and then yes, cool, good. Thank you. Autocomplete. Because we have to say if stats container index is, we want to know if it's modulo, if it's an odd modulo 2. If that modulo 2 equals 1. So now if it's an odd index, then what we're gonna do is it the root background we need to change? I think it's this. Is this the color here? Yeah, it is. Okay. So we actually need to name this. Waiting for creators like you to make tutorials on it when it gets slightly popular. Touche. Well, yeah. I mean, that's the truth though, right? It's like, it's kind of what I was getting at before. It's like, it's gonna be a lot of effort to learn it right now because there's not as many tutorials out there. It's like trying to learn netcode for game objects or something like a year ago. It was like impossible a year ago. It's way more accessible now. Code Monkey, dude, that guy has, do you know Code Monkey on YouTube? Man has fucking infinite tutorials. Jesus Christ. Guy literally, I feel like overall, like, his channel is like, it's good. Like, I'm not gonna say it's low quality, but it's like good content. It's definitely not super high quality. He just pumps out fucking tutorial after tutorial though. Every like 3 days he's posting a video. He's an example of how like the spam approach works. Some of his are really good, but he has some poorly optimized code in his games actually suck. Yeah, you know, I saw a few of his like games that he's making. They don't look impressive at all. So I'm not sure what's going on there. Like, the dude obviously has to know quite a bit. And like, yeah, it's like netcode for game object tutorials are really good. Some of his full game tutorials are pretty good, but and then he has like one-off, like kind of lower key, like lower view type tutorials that are about like coding itself in C#. And I think he does some of those really well overall. But yeah, he has a lot of like low quality content overall. You watch his 10-hour and 6-hour one. Yeah, those are examples of his like really high quality work. Yeah, those are some of the best things out there. Took you 3 months to complete? Damn. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's really good to go through a whole example like that, you know? Okay, so yeah, I need to name this. We're just gonna call this, that's BG. Yeah, and of course, we, every time I do a for each loop, I always need a fucking... It happens to me every time, man. I always think I'm not gonna need an integer. I just love for each loops, but they never fucking actually work out. I really wish that C# had something in Python that Python has called enumerate. It's such a nice little utility function, but basically, like, in Python, I could just say this. I could just say, like, instead of just having this here in a for each loop, I could just say comma int I, and then I could just say like enumerate parentheses this, and then now I have the indice. I really wish C# could do that. I should actually check if C# can do it now, but last time I checked it couldn't. Does C# have an enumerate? I think that, yeah. I mean, the dude he's from some, like, some country. I don't know what country he's from, but, like, I don't want to say something false, but I feel like he's from, like, a somewhat poor country, isn't he? Like, I can kind of see that maybe he's, like, just very invested in his, like, channel and doesn't really have time for anything else, you know, type of deal. I can respect that. I feel like it's some situation like that going on. Where is CodeMonkey from? Doesn't say. I think he's American? Really? Where is his accent from? Oh, I thought he was from somewhere else. What is his actual channel name? Is it just CodeMonkey? CodeMonkey Unity. This is not helping. Thank you. English is obviously his first language. Are we talking about the same dude? We can't be talking about the same dude. This dude? This guy is
Okay, so first things first, let's cover how Unity versions work. Right now, you can get version 2019 and 2020. The 2019 version is in long-term support, which means
that's
it's
definitely not a
stable, whereas the
English is his
2020
first
version
language.
is in a tech release.
Well, I don't know. He's American or Canadian? That's a, what accent is that? What? He's not American. Well, sorry, that the accent is not American. That's what I'm saying. I want to know where his accent is from, I guess. He's from Portugal? Thank you, dude. Thought I was going fucking nuts. Jesus Christ. Oh, Brutus must just be fucking with me, dude. Oh, fuck, dude. I forget. How do we get each... Oh, wait, I asked ChatGPT a question a second ago. C# provides an enumerator option. Ew. I hate this syntax. I'm not going to use that syntax. Not tonight. Var item index in. Items.select. We're selecting the value and the indice, okay. And we're doing like this, what are they called? Lambda operator. So for like basically for each one of these, we're sending it to this. I don't fucking know how to say this. I guess that's not that bad, huh? So we can say this, var Oh, I need link though. It's also kind of annoying. I feel like this is not recognizing this. Oh, okay, it is. I'm not sure I understand the syntax. Okay. Can anybody decipher the syntax for me? I mean, I guess it just worked. So I can just do... I have to pass many things. Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool. Because I was gonna say, like, I don't know how to loop through all dictionary items with a normal for loop. I'm sure there's a way, but it seems annoying. So this is pretty convenient. Alright, I trust, but maybe I should learn. Like, what is this actually doing? Lambda operators are still a little fuzzy for me. Like, they kind of make sense, but I still can't fully see it. I don't really know what the select does. Select. Oh, is that's a diction? I don't know what that is. I guess that's just like a list thing, a list property. In general. Select method to create a tuple. Creates the both value and index of, okay. Alright, whatever. Makes kind of sense. Kind of makes sense, kind of. A little bit. Alright, so if this is odd, now we're back here. Then we can say stats container bg dot style dot background image something. Unique background image tint color equals new color. That work? All right, I'm scared. I'm scared to test. But here we go. Oh, I can finally get back to like some normal tutorial content. After that fucking fat video. Adil, did you see the new video, by the way? Oh, should we check on the video? Let's see how it's doing. Let's see how that bad boy's doing. Alright, 34 views. So it's actually still getting some pretty decent views. %8 click-through rate. It's actually pretty fucking nice, dude. I feel like my click-through rate is always really low at first too, so this seems really good. Because I think they always give you like an initial push right when you release a video. And generally that push to people is not as like fine-tuned as it is later on. So the fact that I'm at 8% right now seems really good. Feed duration's still pretty high, 3 minutes. Nice, nice. Overall, pretty good stats. Alright, let's test this out. Oh, you're back just in time, Mikey, for me to test this shit. Okay. Nice. It's working. But I plan on moving about a month. It's like about a month, yeah. Shit, dude. It's gonna suck. I hate moving so much. Okay, let's add in another item here. Okay, tomato, cabbage, tomato, cabbage. So that's working. Awesome. The only thing is, yeah, this is a little bit of an issue, so yeah, I guess yeah, I did plan for this. Never mind. I'm doing the wrong thing here. I have the display name available, but I'm not using it. Because we're using item stats here, so yeah. So we get the item stats key value pair, but then we have we get the key. Oh yeah, okay. So if we get the key, that means it's the item stat. And then that means that we should have display name here. No. Oh shit, that's not what I wanted. Stat type. Oh, that's what it's called. No, it's called display name. Stat type does not contain a definition for display name? Excuse me? The fuck? Why isn't it? Oh, sorry. Oh. Oh no, wait. Oh fuck, I think I fucked something up here. Dude, what is that, Toxic Sheep? Dan Straight on YouTube, what's up? You find the Unity Learn has the best courses? Is that Unity Learn's like the official? Is that right? Or no? Is that a different? You're not talking about Unity official, sorry. Code Monkey goes way too fast for me. Yeah, Code Monkey's he goes pretty fast. Not like I said, I think he just spams content. I don't think he has the highest quality content. Unity Learn? It's not showing up. Is that a channel name? Oh, that's a meat boy. That's what it is. Damn. Did I fuck this up, dude? The item stats is... I think I did something wrong here, man. This is not fun. I was hoping that dictionary would return me a an item stat, but it's actually returning me a stat type. So if I go into here on the cabbage, when I look at this list, so the list is correct, yeah. The list is actually using it. The list is the list of an iGenerics item stat, okay. Item stats. Yeah. Set stat generic. Huh. Yeah. I did do this, fuck. Well, you know, I might not have to actually loop through this. I could just loop through the item stat list. I'm not really sure how this would behave if I change this right now to like, if I change this to item stat instead of stat type here. Stat type is an enum. Stats dict. I think actually it would work. And I think that's what I meant to do originally. Let's see if it works. Should be all I need to change, and then we can go back into so then items, yeah, this is now not this anymore. This is item stat. And then this can be the display name now. Okay, so that's what I wanted to do. Oh, and we just took care of this because it's just a var here. Okay, that's cool. I don't know, dude. Let's see. I'm scared. I'm fucking scared. This is getting very deep and dark in the coding recesses of this game. Alright, pick up this cabbage. Hey! Oh my god, it works. We have a display name now. Holy shit, it works. Alright, that's a good bug to find for the night. Okay, a simple tomato. And then we got a cabbage with more stats, which is not real, but whatever. just a test. So yeah, the fishing, you can see like the fishing bonus is 0. The required fishing level for this item is 5. The fishing method is netting big. Just as some random ass examples. Okay, dude, item stats works. And it works with the pop-up and everything. That means we can move on. Wow. This has not been a fun time in this game. I don't think I'm gonna really fuck with like organization yet. It's just unnecessary, and pages. It's just unnecessary until we get deeper into the game, I think. Until we like actually have like all our items in the game, or a lot of items at least. And all that's fully worked out. So I'm not gonna try to fuck with that. Hovering works, nice. I guess there's 2 more things that we have not set. Oh, actually, no, we are setting that. We're setting the required, or the amount it sells for, I think. Let's make sure of that. Let's make the tomato sell for 5. That's updated. Yep, that works. That works. Cool. I think we're all good. Everything's being set. Okay, so let's do a little recap of what our inventory system does. We can pick up items, we can move them. We can split them. We can stack them. We can swap them. We can try to swap, or we can try to split with one. It doesn't work. That's what we want. The hover works. It shows the item stats if there are stats. We can drop item by pressing Q on it. Then we can pick it back up. Middle mouse doesn't work. Right click splits, yep. Seems like a full inventory system to me. The next thing is gear, dude. Fuck. Fuck. I don't want to do gear. Maybe I should like just totally change it up. Start doing some fishing stuff. I don't know. I don't even know. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with the fishing stuff though. Everything's kind of there. We can make it look nicer, but that's like, God, and sound effects. I don't know. Like, oh man, there's like so much to do, but it's also like, is it the right time to do it? Feels like we need more of this stuff working up here. like the collection log. We could do NPC stuff. I don't know if it's too early for that. We can make like our little home world area, get that started. Or we can do gear. I don't know. I'm also really tired and I might just end stream early, you guys. I'm so fucking tired. Haven't been sleeping the best. I might need to hit the GDD, the game design document, start working some more stuff out. It's just very overwhelming. At least we have a very nice inventory system. Oh, we didn't set this to the right color. We could choose those colors right now and do that. That'd be kind of something that's easy to do. I need to figure out like how this gear is gonna work though. I haven't worked out like how it's actually gonna be like laid out. This was just a very work in progress type thing. Damn, dude. Also, like, applying, like, stat boosts and stuff. Like, we haven't even thought about that yet. Part of me wants to just kind of, like, start from the beginning of the game. Like where the user will load in. And just start building the world out from there. That often is, like, my philosophy for how to, like, kind of build a game out. Because, like, if you do it that way, you kind of are building the content as you go in sequential order. So at some point, I might switch gears into that mode. And that mode is, like, essentially making the home world our home base. Just a lot to do. Need to build in the objective systems fairly soon. We need to build in the collection. Dude, it's just all UI, man. Every time I think of anything, like, we need to get some UI shit out of the way. Because, like, the whole game builds off of that. Yeah, alright. So I'm just sitting here just thinking. You guys, okay. This is what I'm thinking. This is what I'm thinking I'm gonna start doing very soon. I'm gonna start building our home base area. So this is how the game's gonna start. You're gonna load into your like home base world. It's gonna be like a little island in space. Who the fuck knows? It'll just be like a little island now. And there'll be a big portal into this world that we're currently working on right now, into this biome. But you're not allowed to enter the portal immediately. And then there's like a wise old man type of dude who's just like a fisher, old fisher guy. And like that's kind of like your entry point for the game. So he'll have like a little like objective icon on top or something, right? And, like you have to go talk to him. And that's how the game begins. So the very first thing we do game-wise involves objectives. It involves talking to an NPC guy. And then I'm thinking there's like a little lake in your home world, like a little one. And I'm thinking basically to like you learn the ropes of the game before you can leave the island. And it's really simple. Like you just talk to the dude. He tells you a few he gives you a few lines, text lines. And then he says like, go catch a fish. And he gives you a rod. So then the rod goes in your inventory. Then we have to equip the rod. Or maybe maybe it just auto equips for you when he gives it to you, because like you don't want that to be a something that hangs the player up at first, is like learning how to use the UI and shit. So you talk to the dude, he like auto gives you a fishing rod, and then it's just in your hand slot or whatever in your gear. Then he goes to tell you to fish, and then you go over to the lake, you fish, you get a new fish, it fills out your collection log, and then you go back to the guy and you talk to him, and he's like, oh, and then you're either done and you go out into the real world, or he gives you like another task. I don't know. And then like after you do kind of the tutorial starting tasks, then you can enter the portal. That's how the game, I think, is going to start. So you can already see that involves, we need objectives, we need collection log, we need like persistent save data. We kind of have that already, but I need to fix it up. But I think building the game in that way will be the most rewarding way to build it. So maybe next stream, what I'll do is I'll start to build that little mini starting island. It's just so we can kind of start there. And then I'm going to keep building this UI out, but I need to build out the gear stuff, the hotbar, or it's not really like a hotbar, but it's like a scrollable handheld container. So we need to make all that shit. We need to make it so that you can move items between gear and bag. And then after that, we need to come up with the objective system. And after that, we need to make like NPCs and stuff. So yeah, a lot of work. Anyways, I think I'm just gonna get off, you guys. I'm super fucking tired. I can't really work on this anymore tonight. I'll see y'all later. Alright, peace, guys.